Installed iOS 27 beta and now your battery is draining, apps keep crashing, and your iPhone feels buggy? You have two options. Stop future updates in about 30 seconds, or downgrade back to the latest public version today, and I'm going to show you both. Welcome back to the Fix Desk. Let's fix it. If you want to stop receiving future updates, open your settings, tap General, Software Update, and then you're going to select Beta Updates and turn those off. Keep in mind, this doesn't remove iOS 27 from your iPhone. It simply prevents future beta versions from installing. Once Apple releases a newer public version than the beta you're currently running, you can update to that. If you want to leave the beta right now and go back to the latest public version, you'll need a Mac or PC. I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we start, there's one important warning. Downgrading completely erases your iPhone and installs the latest public version of iOS. If you made an iCloud or computer backup before installing the beta, you can restore from that during the setup process. But if you don't have a backup that was created before the beta, you won't be able to restore that data currently on your iPhone after downgrading. Make sure you're ready before continuing. The first thing that you're going to need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer. You can do that with your USB cable. And if you're using a Mac, the entire process will be done through Finder. If you're using a Windows PC, it's going to be done through iTunes or the Apple Devices app. But we'll need to put the phone into recovery mode. And you simply do that by pressing the volume up button, the volume down button, and then holding the power button. It's all about timing, so this has to be done very quickly. You're just going to go up, down, and then hold the power button only. So we're going to do it now, up, down, and then hold the power button. You'll see the screen go dark. Just continue to hold. We'll continue to hold even when the Apple logo appears. We're going to keep holding the power button. Remember, we're only holding the power button on the right side. We're looking for the recovery mode screen. Once that appears, we'll let go. Now we can let go. We can set our phone to the side at this point because we're done with it for a moment. But you'll get a pop-up on your Mac or PC that lets you know that there's an issue with the phone that requires it to be updated or restored. Here, you want to make sure that you choose Restore. Once you do, it's going to ask, are you sure that you want to update and restore? It's going to erase your iPhone. You're just going to choose Restore and Update. You're going to click Next here. And it's probably going to prompt us for the terms. Yeah, so the terms and conditions, go ahead here. Continue through this. And now you see that our iPhone is actually beginning the erase process. Well, what's happening is Finder iTunes is downloading the current version of iOS. And then once it downloads it, it's going to erase your phone and install the current public version to remove that beta. Now, depending on your internet speed, this can take some time. If it takes over 15 to 20 minutes, your iPhone may exit recovery mode screen. If that happens, do not panic. Just let iTunes or Finder complete the download of the operating system. Once it does, you can simply put your phone back into recovery mode, and at that point, it'll start extracting the beta software that we're trying to remove, and it'll install the downloaded version that it finally completed. And for time and purposes for the video, I'm going to fast forward to the next part. Alright, so here you're going to see a message that is completed on Finder, but you're just going to hit OK, and your phone's still going to be installing and rebooting, so just give your phone time to finish. Once it does, you'll be brought to the hello screen. Once you're there, just set your phone up as normal. I'll fast forward through the setup process here, but if you need a full walkthrough, check out my complete iPhone setup guide linked in the comments below. And that's it. You've successfully removed iOS 27 beta and returned to the latest public version of iOS. If this video saved you some time, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Fix Desk for more simple solutions. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.